People need a college degree. What I want to see happen in this country is that every kid in America, I grew up in a family that had a lot of money, my parents never went to college. I want every kid in Washington and Vermont to understand that if he or she does their schoolwork seriously, does well, takes school.
There's a bird on the stage with you, Bernie. There's a bird right there. The bird is voting for you.
This little bird doesn't vote.
Before the winter hit, the streets don't know what's on, and boy, this shit don't come with number shoots. And judge haters, blowing heels, he get generous. Still with bad boys, missing strikes to make a digit flip. All we know is jump shots and pistol grip. I kinda play inside, run that shit like Kimmy Smith. Run it up, now we run it to the dealership. I know that's some nigga shit. They still think we slaves, but only now raised in the ships and laws don't get a charge when they pop us, they just get me quick. Oh, head said a change coming, he can feel the shit. I told him keep dreaming school, not for what my vision see. And I know bread can fix it all. I ain't eating a river broke, don't fix a motherfucking thing. My focus getting rich. I got time, I came in with only 50 cents. Independent, doing it big on some dirty shit. Nigga, I'm trying to chase a buck and call him underdog for a reason. My only way is up. See, I can play that 4-roll with them. You can't fake with us. Blade will make you ridge like a piston. I'll make you talk. It's just when you die, but it get better when that paper touch. Get up off your ass and go and grind if I ain't saying enough. Show you money to my cars until they out the can. And pictures, we look like legends in the south of France. Open shirt, sipping rose, we on a garden can. Just some motivation to show my nigga he still got a chance. Realest in my city, nigga. That's being modest, fam, but trophies never made me satisfied the way these dollars can. So this is boom. Let me bring that money every night at crime with point high. Got them cooking books, bitch, we dodging sound. Focus, no disrespect to women, but I'm We gon' fight the places, crackers, bottle, salt, and line this bitch finna low. I wanna get we never sold. My pills told your mama crying, and daddy hocus pocus at the same time. Your own people turning into cowards, niggas that you grew with. Hate to see it when you call us, so we watch about these cops, but I'm still looking over shoulders, cause the chances are that you gon' die to niggas that you know. That's fucked up, but the honest phrase, I don't know my pops, that nigga left, but the trauma stayed. You see that pain on my mama's face. The folks I love the most, they broke my heart into 100 ways. I've been known for days, we don't get no dick, and we just walk around like nothing face. Shit, just another day. Bitch, we outside and it ain't nothing safe. Once you just let that hurt suck in, and then your heart just get, your heart repair itself, and you numb, that hurt don't hurt no more.
That part is really a dolphin. Asking us